Mahima, let's get into EQ Bank now because I've been learning about you guys for the last year. I understand you don't have any branches, you're purely digital, but just kind of give us a quick background on the mission and vision of EQ.
Yeah, I mean, even personally, the idea of working for a bank that has a higher purpose is really compelling to me. And so that is a big reason why I'm at EQ. But the vision is really to give Canadians a better option for banking. The status quo of banking in Canada has been that, look, we have very strong institutions, but they're incredibly profitable. And they're incredibly profitable on the back of consumers like you and I and everyone else out there. And it's actually the lower income people that end up fueling that profitability the most. And so EQ Bank's mission is really to drive change in Canadian banking to enrich others' lives. And you'll see that show up in our products consistently is that we are delivering better ways of banking through, higher interest, lower fees, breaking down the traditional way of banking that was meant to just serve the banks versus the people.
Hmm.
So I'll give you a simple example. Like most of the accounts out there, you have a checking account and you have a savings account. And that checking account is where you do your day to day banking. Actually be where most of your money sits to meet your monthly expenses, but you don't actually earn any interest on that account. In fact, you're just paying fees. Then you have a savings account where you don't really have any transaction capabilities, and you can earn a nominal interest rate on that savings account, but you have to constantly funnel money back and forth.
Hmm.
With the EQ Bank account, the Savings Plus account, which is our um, platform product, if you will, it combines a savings and checking account. So you have all the transactional capability of a checking account, but you're earning high interest on the balances every day. And it's those trade-offs that we make on every single one of our products where you'll see, like we have a partnership with TransferWise so that you can send money internationally instantaneously at
Hmm.
a fraction of the cost of
Oh,
going through the big banks. Or we're just about to launch our payment card, which allows you to take cash out at any ATM in Canada with no fees. So you can go to RBC, Scotia, CIBC, it doesn't matter, take out the cash, and we'll reimburse all the fees so that you don't get hit. So it's a more convenient option for you. Plus, you can use it for e-commerce. If you use it in the States, there's no I mean, if you use it anywhere in the world, there's no foreign exchange premium. So it's all of these like gotcha moments that exist in
hmm.
banking that we're trying to peel away and give better options for.
Transferring money internationally. So if I was needing to send a sum of money somewhere else, let's say somewhere in Europe, are you basically saying that with EQ Bank, in terms of the fees for kind of sending or wiring that money, they're significantly lower? Is that what I'm understanding?
Oh, absolutely. So I
Yeah.
mean, we've done the comparison. Um, if you send the money through EQ Bank with our Wise partnership, it's up to 1/8 of the cost of the big banks. So
Interesting.
it's instantaneous. The money's already sitting in your EQ Bank account, so you don't have to fund, for example. Um, and yeah, the cost piece is significantly less. Plus, it's incredibly transparent. So instead of charging a foreign exchange markup, which is what most of the big banks do, what Wise does is tell you exactly what the service charge is,
Hmm.
um, and and you can decide to take it or not.
Hmm.
But you know exactly how much money is going to end up in that other account.